Hello all, welcome back to the channel. If you are working in Excel and still using CTRL+V to paste, you are missing out on one of the most powerful features Excel has to offer. Today, we are diving into Paste Special, the secret weapon that lets you do so much more than just paste. Whether you are copying just the values, formats, formulas, or even transposing data, Paste Special can save you tons of time and headaches. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how and when to use Paste Special to take your Excel skills to the next level. So grab your spreadsheet, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and let's get started. So friends, let us start with the practical part of this Paste Special. You can see that I've created a table. So this table is containing the employee numbers, then employee name, gross salary, the taxes, net salary, and the location. Now this is an imaginary table, you can say like that, with the imaginary data, dummy data. Here I have kept all the gross salary, which are currently shown in dollars. Then I have calculated here the tax. So here I have placed the formula. If I double click over here, so then it is 10% of this 60,000. So that is, here it is 6,000 and so on. I have created this formula and I have placed it over here in this taxes column. Now what is the net salary? Net salary is equal to the gross salary minus the taxes. So here it is 60,000 minus 6,000, that is 54,000. Okay, so this is 1,000. In my previous video I have mentioned that in Germany, whenever we put the 1,000 separator, that is comma, here in Germany we put it dot. So this is the table. Now what I want to do, that I want to, let's say, copy this table and I want to paste it somewhere down below. If I select this whole table, then I go for CTRL+C, and now I go down and let me paste over here the table. So here I select this particular cell and then I go for CTRL+V. I press CTRL+V and now this table is over here. This is the normal copy and paste that we know in Microsoft Excel. But apart from this normal pasting, we also have a paste special. So let us see those various options that we have in the paste special. So let me undo this tab here. So now already this table is selected and it is already copied. So now I will select this particular cell and now I will right click over here. When I right click here, I can see here paste special. So in the paste special, I am having these options like paste, then we have formulas. You see that how these things are working here. Let me right click again here, paste special. In the paste special, we have here the normal pasting, which is having everything. Then I can put the pointer over here, that is the formulas. Now see here, if I select this formulas option, then here the formula has also been copied. So let us see, if I double click this particular cell, I can see the formula. If I double click over here, here also I can see the formula, that is G20 minus the H20. So here the formula is also copied, so I can also use it somewhere down below. Now let me undo. Now what I'll do, I will again select this cell, right click, go to paste special, and now here we have another option, that is formulas and number formatting. Now see, what is this number formatting? As you can see that here I have placed the dollar sign. I've done some kind of formatting here because whenever we want to show the salary, then we put here the dollar or euro or whatever the local currency you have. This is the number formatting which I've done here. So if I again right click here, go to paste special, then here I can see this option, that is keep source formatting. So in the source formatting, it shows me below the whole source formatting. Then this option, that is known as the no border. So you paste it, but there should not be any border. So here you can see that I have created here a border, just to show you again. So here there is some dark border. So if I want to paste everything, and then if I do not want to see the border, then that is also possible. So let me again select this whole table, right click, copy, and then I come over here and then I right click, paste special, and now here we see no border below. Then another option is keep source column width. So whatever the column width that is available in the source, that same column width, if we want to have it in the other table also, that is also possible. And then we have here the transpose. Now this transpose is very, very interesting. So see, just now my table is vertical, but if I want to keep it horizontal, then that is possible. So if I click here transpose, so now this whole table has been now created horizontally. So here the table is kept horizontal. So if you want to have these kind of table, then that is also possible. Now let me select here one more cell, right click, and now if I go to paste special, then here we have this option. Next option is values. If you want to just have the values, no formatting, then I can click this option here, values. Another option that we have here is values and number formatting. If I want to have the number formatting also, that is if I want to see the dollar sign and also I want to have all the values, then then that is also possible here. I can click this option. The third option here, it is values and source formatting. If I want to have the values also, if I want to have the source formatting. So let us click this option, values and source formatting. If I double click this particular cell, you see that there is no formula. It is just taking here the number 5000. Okay, so there is no formula here. So I have not copied the formula. I have just copied the formatting of the previous table, and I also copied the values. That is the difference that we have over here. So let me undo here. Now if I again right click, paste special, and now let us go to this option here. So here we have the option of just formatting. Suppose if you want to just bring the formatting from the previous table, so that is also possible. I can just click here formatting, and now only the formatting has come, no values, no number formatting, nothing. Yeah, so this is also possible here. Then another option, if I click here, right click, paste special, and now here we can also paste some link. Suppose if I've created some link, see that hyperlink and other things, I'll be creating another video for that. But suppose if you have created some link, that link can be pasted here, or if you have put some picture, that also can be pasted, or if you have a picture with the link, so that is also possible. So this linking and the picture, this will be created in another video. So we are having these options here. Yeah, suppose if I click here paste special, then this dialog box will come up, and whatever the option that we have seen up till now, all these options are also shown here. All formulas, values, format, comments and notes. If you have put some comments and notes, that can also be copied and pasted. Validation. Now there is another topic, very interesting topic known as data validation. So data validation topic I'll be taking in another video. It's a very important topic. Plus all these other options are available here. Now we will focus on this operation area here. In the operations we have none, add, subtract, multiply and divide. Let us see this option here. Transpose we have already seen just now in the previous example, and skip blanks. Skip blanks means suppose if you are having some blank records in your table, and if you want to just skip those blank records, then that is also possible here. But now we'll focus on this area. So I click on cancel. Now here I'm having one example. Here I'm having a table. So this is a small table which is containing some sales which has happened in Mumbai city and some sales which has happened in Delhi city. Now what I want to do, that I want to add the Mumbai sales into the Delhi sales. Okay, I want to simply add this 100 to this 50. So now finally it should become here 150. This 200 I want to add with 60, so here it should be 260 finally. So this kind of paste special is also available. So what I do now here, I select all these cells, then I go for CTRL+C, CTRL+C, as you know, that's a shortcut key for copying. So I select all these cells, go for the shortcut key CTRL+C, and now I select here one cell. You can also select one cell. It's not compulsory that you have to select everything here. I select this one cell here, which is M5, and now I go for right click, paste special, and in the paste special I click here this option, and now here I go for this option add, operation add. I click on OK button, and now you see all these numbers have changed. Here we were having initially 50, so 50 has become 150, here 60 has become 260, and so on. So we can also do these kind of pasting. Here I have shown you the addition of one column to the other column, but I can also go for subtraction, division, multiplication, all those basic operations that we can do over here. So this is a very good technique. Yeah, remember this thing, that whenever we want to copy the values from one column, and if you want to paste it into another column, and if you want to go for the operations like addition, multiplication, division, subtraction, then that is also possible here. Now we go for the final topic here, that suppose if I want to copy one particular word or anything, and that word or whatever that table is there, if I want to paste it into multiple sheet. Okay, so here I am having 3 sheets, New York, Toronto and Delhi. So I want to, let's say, copy this table into 3 different sheets in one shot. So that is also possible here. So what we do, we select all these cells here, or we select the whole table, CTRL+C, and now after going for CTRL+C, I select this 3 sheets one by one by pressing the control button. So you select one sheet. Let's say I select here New York sheet. Now I press the control button on my keyboard, and now I select here Toronto, Delhi. And now I can select one cell over here, some random cell, and now I'll be going for the CTRL+V. So I go for CTRL+V, and now you see that this table has been pasted over here. So let us check now. If I go to New York sheet, then I can see the table. Toronto also it is there, Delhi it is also there. So in one shot I can copy one table from one sheet and I can paste it into multiple sheets. So this is also a very good technique. Remember this technique. This will save a lot of your time. So So friends, here we have seen the various examples of the paste spatial. So please do lot of practice, and in the next video I'll be talking about the advanced field series. We'll be talking about the various field series that we have in Microsoft Excel. Stay tuned to this playlist on Microsoft Excel and let us meet in the next video. Thank you very much.